What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Discord server on Discord mobile with the Discord app. Now the first thing you guys got to do, if you haven't already, is you want to go and open your app store real quick. You want to go ahead and go to the search bar, search in Discord. Search in Discord. Now once you get Discord here on either Google Play or the App Store, you want to just go ahead and select install, wait for it to install, and then open the app. Okay? If you guys have already had Discord for a while, you guys know what Discord is. First thing you guys want to do, go to wherever Discord is on your phone, open Discord. Now once you're in Discord, as you guys can see on my screen, this is my official Discord server. I'm going to do a shameless plug real quick, and then we're going to get right to the tutorials. So if you guys do want to join my Discord, it will be linked in the description. Aside from that, though, what you guys want to do, navigate down to the green plus sign you guys should see right about here. Select that green plus sign, and you're going to get a menu that says create my own, and then a bunch of different categories for what your server should be about. Go ahead and select create my own. Now once you get that, it's going to come up for me and my friends or for a club and community. Go ahead and select for me and my friends for now. Basically what a community is, it's basically more for like content creators or people with a large following. That way, I guess it's more for just like a large group of people, whereas I would assume that you're making this for a group of friends or for a gaming group. So go for me and my friends for now. You can always switch over whenever you want. For me and my friends, you guys just need to name the server. For today's video, we're going to name it Test. And if you guys want, you can go ahead and name... you can go ahead and upload a profile photo. You can see my my camera roll is all messed up. Let's do the Golden Gate Bridge because that looks nice. Crop it to however you want. Hit choose, and then you guys will have your server icon as you can see right there. Now hit create server right at the bottom there. You guys don't have to invite people unless you have a bunch of friends on Discord you might want to invite, so I would just skip that step for now. And here you guys are. You're in your general chat for your new Discord server. Should look just like this if you guys are doing it right. And it should appear at the top of your channel's, your server's list. Now you guys are going to have a default text channel, which is general, and the default voice channel, which is also called general. The first thing we're going to do is show you guys how to make channels. All you guys want to do, go ahead and hit the plus sign in whichever category you're making the channel. So, for example, right here. And you guys are going to want to go ahead and make a channel for yourselves. This is going to be, let's just say, an announcements channel. And then you just go ahead and hit create server. Now, once you guys have created the announcements channel, we might need another voice channel, say a music channel, for example. Go ahead and hit the plus sign in that category. And go down to voice. You want to select voice right here. Make sure that's checked off, and once it is, just name the channel whatever you want. And now you guys have 4 channels. You got 2 text channels and 2 voice channels as well. And we're gonna make a new category now for the staff. Okay. The first thing you guys want to do, navigate your way to the top of the screen here. There should be 3 dots next to the title of the server. Hit the 3 dots. It's going to come up with a menu that looks just like this. Now to create a category, you want to select create category right here. And you want to name the category. For example, I'm going to be using staff as the category. So name it staff. Go ahead and hit create. And now you guys have a new staff category, as you can see right there. We're going to add a staff text channel. And we're going to add a staff voice channel the same way we did it with the last channels as well. I should probably rename this. Now I'll show you guys how to rename titles or anything like that. What you want to do is press and hold down on the channel that you want to edit. Select edit channel. And then you guys can go ahead and select whatever you want to edit. The channel topic, the channel name. For example, I'm just going to rename this staff text. That way you guys know that this is the text channel and that's the voice channel. If you guys also want to make this category private, if it's for staff, you can. So if you guys want your channels or categories to be private, obviously you don't want all your members to be able to read your staff conversations. So what you would do is hold down on the category, or the channel. Go down to edit, go to category permissions, and what you could do is you could just set it to be a private category right here. And if you want to get more technical with it with the roles and everything, I'm going to get into that in just a minute, so just give me 1 second. So now you guys should have, or you guys can have 6 different channels if you guys were following a tutorial. If you were doing your own thing, that's fine as well. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on some roles. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the Discord server menu on mobile. It's pretty simple, so hit those 3 dots again. The menu is going to consist of create channel, create category, change nickname, hide muted channels, and allow direct messages. Now, the 4 on top, server boosting, you don't have to worry about. That's for Discord Nitro, which is basically a paid premium version of Discord. The next icon is invite. If you want to invite friends to your server, you can do that as well. Notifications are going to be the server notifications if you guys want to allow notifications, so every time something happens in the Discord, somebody types something, it'll pop up down on your phone right there. Only at mentions would be when only somebody needs you and somebody tries to contact you specifically, so personally I would have at mentions as the permission. You can mute the entire server at the top there, or you could just select nothing to mute the server as well. I would definitely recommend suppress at everyone in here, and suppress all role mentions as well. That should pretty much be it. Go ahead and exit out of that category right there. Go back to the 3 lines once again. And over here on the very end, you're going to see the settings icon. Select the settings icon. And you're going to have a whole list of different things you guys can do here. And it might be a little bit intimidating at first, but it's really simple, guys. Overview is going to be your basic settings here. At the very top, you're going to have your server name, where you guys can change the server name, obviously. You can set an inactive channel. If somebody goes AFK for a certain amount of time, they'll be moved to this channel. That way they don't interfere with any other voice channels. I would keep all of these settings the same. And I think that should be good, so we'll leave overview for now. Moderation we can skip over. Audit log is going to be everything that happens in the server. If somebody deletes a message, somebody joins, somebody leaves, you'll be able to see it in audit log. Channels is going to give you an overview of all your channels. For example, right here, you can see a nice organized list of everything here. And I guess it's just a more organized way. And it's another way where you can move your channels, because on mobile you can't just drag the channels to where you want them to be. What you have to do is select the reorder button. You select the text channels, voice channels, categories, depends on what you want to move. Personally, let's just move staff to the top just as an example, so go to categories, select and hold on staff, and then go ahead and drag it right above the text channels there, select done, and then when you go back out, you'll see that staff is now above the text channels there. We're going to go back in there for a minute into settings. Integrations, don't worry about that. If you guys want to upload server emojis, you can do that as well, like a sticker or an image file as well, or a GIF. You can do that in there, just as little emojis to use. Webhooks we're going to skip over. Security, you can leave that for now. And enable community, like I said, if you have a larger community of people, once your server is actually grown and has a lot of active members, you could change it to a community. But for now, we're going to leave that. Members is going to show you a full list of all the members with all of their roles. You're the only one here, so you don't have to worry about that for now until you get members. The roles channel is how you're going to make new roles. This is probably one of the most unique features on Discord, and it is really important as well. So create a role. You're going to want to make a new role. For now, the example role is going to be called owner, and it's going to be your personal role. Make it whatever color you guys want. You guys can choose a hex color depending on how you want it. I'm just gonna make mine red for now, because as you can see, I'm in the red theme. Just skip over this step for now. You're not gonna have to worry about it, and skip over that second step as well. Now you have a role called owner. In that role, if you click on owner, you're gonna have permissions and members. Members is gonna show you everybody in the server who has that role. And you can add members like this, give them the role, and select add, and now you can see a list of all the members who have the role, and I basically just gave myself the role. So if you go to permissions right here, for the owner role and the owner role only, include all of the permissions. This is your personal role. Don't give this role to anybody but yourself. Go ahead and select basically everything. You should be good. Just make sure you don't give this role to anyone. It is your personal role, just to make it easier on you. Alright, we're going to keep selecting, and there we go. Hit save, and now you guys should be good. To add another role, go to the plus sign on the top right. Once you select that, we're going to name this one member, just for all the normal members, and we're just going to leave the color blank, just because they just got in, they don't have a color yet. So if you're the type of person who's making a server for cosmetic reasons, where you're going to be able to select what colors you want, I can do that in a different video. That's not what this video is, so go ahead and find a tutorial on that as well. But for this, I'm just going to be making this a default member role. Go ahead and hit create. Skip this step, and we'll just give that role to me, because why not? And we're just going to go ahead and hit finish. So now you have your 2 roles so far. Say you want to add one more role, maybe you do, maybe you don't. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be adding an admin role, which is going to be a staff role. Not for myself, but for my friends who might be a staff member in the server. So hit the plus sign once again. Name the role admin, or whatever you're going to be naming it. And go ahead and select a color. Whatever color you want. I'm going to be doing like a yellow-orange. And there we go. Skip the step once again. I'm going to give myself the role. You don't have to give yourself all these roles if you don't want to, but make sure that you're giving them to the correct members, okay? If you guys want to reorder the roles from hierarchy, the role that's the highest on the top is going to be the most powerful, and then the least powerful role is going to be on the bottom. So I'm moving the admin role. What I did was hit reorder here, and you're going to drag admin right in between owner and member, and that's going to be for your... That is not where I selected it. See, Discord mobile isn't always accurate, but we're going to get it as accurate as we can here. That's starting to glitch out, man. Alright, that should save it. There we go. Now we have our hierarchy right here, as you can see. Got owner on the top, admin in the middle, members on the bottom. So that's going to be it for the roles. If you guys want to add a bot to the server, say you want to just have... any bot really. I'm going to be, for the sake of this video, inviting Me6, which is my personal favorite Discord bot. I have it in my personal server, and it's really probably one of the better bots around. Especially, it's user friendly. Most of the beginners know how to use it as well. And so what I would do for that is go ahead and close out of Discord for the moment. Go down to Google or Safari, whatever you're using. And you're going to go ahead, and I already have it favorited right there. You guys can see it, but I'm just going to type it in for you guys. Me6.com, and Me6 has its own website. That's not what I wanted to type in. Type in Me6, or type in Me6 Discord bot, and search that up. And Me6.xyz is the website. So Me6, select that link that you see there. And it's going to make you sign into your Discord account. It's not going to do anything harmful to you. Sign into your Discord account. Go to My Servers once you are signed in. And go ahead and go to the Setup Me6 button next to the server that you want to be in. So you can see my test server at the bottom there. And Setup Me6 right there on the right. You're going to have to sign in again. To verify your account, so I'm going to do that. Now, obviously I have to cover it real quick, but so once you do sign into your account, it'll bring you to the Me6 menu. Hit continue, and make sure you also select authorize, and you got to do the CAPTCHA as well. Alright, now you guys are good for Me6. He should have joined your Discord server. You guys can mess around with the Me6 settings. If you guys want a full tutorial on the Me6 bot, I can do that as well. But that's going to be a future video. You guys can go back to Discord where you were before. Go to the general channel. Okay, so at this point in the video, my camera died, so I'm just going to continue this as a voiceover. This is pretty much the end of the video. As you guys can see, Me6 joined the server, and that's really all there is to it. Once you do all the steps that I showed you on the website, Me6 will join the server. And like I mentioned before, I'll do a tutorial on Me6 if you guys want in the future, and how to do bots. But we'll save that for another video, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe. Comment down below other Discord tutorials you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.
Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?